You was never a rapper, so why you playing around? You was in church, you was singing songs now. You ain't us, you ain't no MC. I see a lot of people making millions in this industry. I laugh at them when they say they a MC. I've been rapping, Bobby, before you graduated middle school. And if these rappers wanna go against me, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be nights, gonna be life. I'm losing life, they gonna be losing sight. I'm killing them all night. Competition get murdered. I'm writing love letters with bullets inside of them. I put them over the ledger. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mo, many people fold. When I'm on the top, they gotta let it go. Feel the flow, I'm uncontrollable. Do it for the squad, even though it might seem impossible, illogical, whatever the same. I'm a gangster, I carry the pain. I sit back and I think of the same. I remember they was worshiping Lil Wayne. All of these soft gangsters, fiend artists try to play, trying to lead the kids the way. I know they way. Yeah, I know they way. Yeah, I know they way. Either way I spit, they bout to go away. They gon' need the cops, they gon' need the judge, they gon' need the lawyer. My words about to flood, I'm about to be the rapper. You heard the Kentucky in me, this is the real flow. You got that feel the energy, excitement's about to be fulfillment at its least. I really am a beast, a monster in these streets. When I talk, I live it. I try to find decisions. I try to give them ounces. Try to keep them breathing. They keep on popping ish. They keep on talking ish. They gon' make me catch a flashback when I was popping ish. I'm not a blood though. I'm not a gangster though. I'm not with the teams though. I catch out my steam low. It's easy like shooting a free throw. You only get 1 point throw. A lot of people want the best. They talk about stress though. You not original. I'm talking about rappers though. Keep this simple. They not on my level though. They like kids though. They talk like irritable. Like nah. But hey, we are people. I do it for the block. I do it for the streets. But now that I look at the block, they all seem so weak. They talk like they high, really like they got the heat. You know you a problem when you gotta carry the heat. Where's your respect at? Matter of fact, check that. Double, quadruple, triple that. We match that. I've been the best cat. I am the dog tag. I am the guy that been making it even though I'm bad. Yeah, I'm bad. I'm Michael Jackson bad. I'm Thriller in the coffin. I'm about to catch a coffin. I'm thinking catching bodies. The only way we off them. Married to the streets. And I feel so awesome. This the really flow. The best rapper ever exists. I'm the battle rap king. I'm about to make a wish. I sit back, think of hints. I'm thinking about taking tips. I sit back, leaning back. I think they need some hints. They gon' need some help. They gon' need the squad. They gon' need the Bible. They gon' need a God. They gon' need the cops. They gon' need the judge. I don't think they hear me. I'm shooting at the jury. I'm shooting at the jury. I'm shooting at the energy. Now that was kind of forceful. F all my enemies. They ain't feeling me. They ain't hearing me. I'm the only guy Louisville that's rap to the city. 2 different cities at the same time. Keep it simple though. The flow is like blows minds. I'm off the leash though. Like you was never a rapper, so why you playing around? You was in church, you was singing songs now. You ain't us, you ain't no MC. I see a lot of people making millions.